Hi there guys, this is Melissa once again. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode, I will be cooking stir-fry eggplant and ground pork recipe. So I will be showing you the ingredients that I'm going to use. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and click the bell button down below so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. So let's start! So guys, this is easy to follow, so you can actually try this at home. I'm sure your family will like it. And these are the ingredients. Okay, I will be using this green eggplant. You can also use the purple ones. Of course, the ground pork, don't forget. These are optional. I have here the basil leaves, garlic powder, chopped onions, and of course, the lemon pepper. So I'm going to start cooking now. Okay, so for this one, I will be using butter to make it more tastier. But you can also use vegetable or cooking oil. So it depends on you guys. Alright, so let's melt the butter. So after this one, we can put the ground pork. Okay, so there. So let's wait until golden brown. Then after that, we can put the eggplants. So I can smell the aroma of meat and the butter. So good. Aside from this recipe, I'm going to put the garlic powder, this one. Bango niya guys, kung naaamoy nyo lang. You can put as many as you want, depends on you. Plus this chopped onion. So the meat is now golden brown. We're going to put the eggplant. Mixed it. So we'll wait for the eggplant to cook. So for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll put the remaining ingredients later. Okay, so we can add soy sauce. Here. Then mix. I'm going to add the lemon pepper now. And the basil leaves. Sit for 2 to 3 minutes again, and then this is ready to serve. So it's cooked now, and I'm going to serve it. There you go, you see that? Sarap-sarap! So this is now the finished product, guys. So So there. Looks so yummy. I'm going to taste it now. Yum, yum, yum! So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the cooking show that I presented to you. So, see you again in my next one. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Mag-comment kayo sa comment box sa baba. Babasahin ko lahat yan. And of course, salamat sa lahat na nag-subscribe at mga nanonood ng vlogs ko. Yun na nga, keep shining everyone and let's help each other. Bye-bye!